Hello everyone, this is Pet Crochets. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make these adorable pearl dragonfly earrings. This is going to be part of the Isadora top set. I use the same formula for creating a little charm that I add to the top. I'll be linking the video down below. As usual, I have many more summer tutorials on the way, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Let's get started. For this project, we're going to grab a pair of wire cutters, some pliers, and I used a 1.5mm hook and a weight 3 yarn for the dragonfly wings. We're also going to need a pair of scissors, a darning needle, and some pearl beads. I got this earring kit from Michaels, and we're going to be using this headpin portion as well as this part of the earring, the fish hook part of the earring. And this little kit also comes with some of the plastic backings for the earrings as well. We're going to grab 2 larger pearl beads. This is going to be the head of the dragonfly. And for the body segments of the dragonfly, I used 4 pearl beads for each side. So we're going to need a total of 10 beads. Now for the first set of wings, we're going to begin with a slip knot, and we're going to secure that onto our hook. Now you're going to want to make a chain up of 22. This is going to be half of our wing. Here is my chain up of 22. And now starting from the bottom, from the very first chain we made, we're going to count up to the 8th chain right there. And into the top loop of that chain, we're going to do a single crochet. So to do a single crochet, you're going to pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 for a single crochet. And that is the first half of our wing. Now you're going to chain up 6. And back into that very first chain we made, into the top of that chain, we're going to do another single crochet. And that will finish the second half of our wing. To finish this off, back into that very first chain, we're going to do a slip stitch. So you're going to put your hook in, grab the yarn, and pull it all the way through. And then you're going to chain up 1, cut the yarn, and pull the yarn through and secure it. Once we've pulled the yarn through, we have our first set of wings. This is going to be the larger set of wings, and then we're going to make another set of wings that's going to be smaller. You're going to want to weave in the ends with your darning needle. Now for the second set of wings, we're going to again begin with a slip knot and put it on our hook. And now we're going to do a chain up of 19. So this set of wings is going to be a little smaller than the first. Once you've completed your 19 chains, you're going to start from the bottom and count up now to the 7th stitch right there. And once again, we're placing a single crochet into the top loop of that stitch. That's the first half of our wing. We will now chain up 5. And into that very first chain we made right there, we're going to add a single crochet into the top loop. So just like the other set of wings. Then to finish off this wing, we're going to slip stitch back to that very first stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn and pull the yarn through to secure it, and then once again you're going to take your darning needle and you're just going to weave in these ends. Now we're going to take our darning needle, put some yarn onto the darning needle, and we're going to sew these 2 wings together. So you want the larger wing on top and the smaller wing on the bottom, like so. And I just doubled up the yarn, and I'm pulling the yarn through with the darning needle, and you're just going to weave it in and out into the back center to secure the 2 wings together. So here I'm just showing you guys how I'm weaving the needle in and out and securing the wings together. Once they're nice and secure, you're just going to cut the yarn and you're going to weave in the remaining ends. Now you're going to want to grab the long piece of metal, the headpin piece, and start adding the pearls that are going to be the body segment of the dragonfly. And as you can see here, we're placing them so that it ends at the portion where the metal is looped to catch the beads. And I'm adding 4. Now we're going to just push this through the center of the wings that we made and place the largest pearl bead on top for the head of the dragonfly, and everything should be placed securely like so. Now you're going to want to hold everything down with your finger, and very carefully with the wire cutters you're going to trim off the excess of metal on top. And then you're taking the fish hook portion or the hook portion of the earring and placing it on top like so. Now we're going to grab our pliers and we're going to create a loop. So we're bending this metal down towards the top of that larger bead and creating a small loop so that it closes everything down together. So you're going to use the pliers, bend the metal downwards, and when it touches the pearl or the top of the pearl, I like to squeeze the sides in so it creates a little loop, and everything will close in securely. Once that's nice and secured, you can add the plastic backing for the earring, and you have one earring done. You're just going to repeat the entire process one more time for the other side, and we're all done with our earrings. These earrings are very quick to make. They're super cute. I thought it would be a fun project to match the Isadora Dragonfly top. If you guys try out this tutorial, please let me know in the comment section below. And if you're interested, please check out the Isadora Dragonfly top. Thank you for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!